Hi, it's Michael Gaffney. I have classes all over the country, 17 cities, Paris, London, and Rome. Juicy peonies. Here's the secret to life. Cross your stems like swords coming through a magician's box. I'm gonna cross, switch hands. Look at that, see that? Don't stack them, cross them. Look at the top. Where do I need one? Right there, see? That's flower designing. Figure out the mistakes. I'm gonna cross, I got 2 left. There it is so far. How hard is this? Even I can do it. I've been doing it for 30 years. And I love my job. Now I'm gonna pull these up, see? I call that tweaking. You want them edge to edge. That's how they built the Sistine Chapel and the Lincoln Tunnel. And then you're gonna have your knife, shove them around a little bit. You're gonna have your nice peony glob. Then I'm just gonna sit it right on the lip of this vase. Push it in a little bit. Tweak it a little bit. Boop. Look, it's pretty just like that. Shove a little amaranthus down the side. This will give it that designer vibe. Anybody can shove peonies in a vase, but I want to give it a little bit of coolness with hanging amaranthus. It looks like that. There's your easy 2-minute design for the day. Bucket of peonies, only in a vase. A vase of peonies and a little bit of amaranthus. So I just want to show you how easy flower design is. This is very pretty. You can have them in different heights on your dining room table. You can have these going down your wedding table. It's up to you, but if you want to learn how to do it properly, come to my school. It's flowerschool101.com. I will see you in class, and keep blooming.